Hey, it's Rob and welcome to Axel's Garage. We're out here working on the big dummies K5 doors, and he's behind the camera. And we got in, like we said we would, new. These are GM AC Delco lock replacements with new keys and gaskets. The only thing it doesn't come with is this rod. So using his old ones, you got to take this clip off to get this rod out. So take the old one and you just bend this little tab up. That's a little locking tab. So you sort of bend that up out of the hole, and then you can take a screwdriver and you can pry it right off. Okay, and this lifts up just like that. Now, so that your locks aren't installed upside down, you want to put this exactly the same way that it came off of an old one. Now these two lock cylinders are identical. It's just the position of the rod, I believe. Well, maybe they're different rods. I don't know. But the two lock cylinders are definitely identical. Alright, and then we're going to put this on. Slide it into place, turn it so that the locking tab is in the hole there, and then I'm going to try to bend that pin down without stabbing myself. Key is without stabbing yourself. Alright, so that's in there. Not going anywhere. Now this gets fished into the door with a new gasket. So we'll put that gasket over. Alright, and then here's our new locking clip for the inside of the door. Little big dummy's cutting the grass. So I'm going to take the key, I'm going to put the key in, that. Okay, on this side, I'm going to go like this, and I got to find that hole. I can't do it from this side, I'm just showing you how I'm going to fish it in the hole. So, alright, now I'm in the hole. Find my grooves, which are hard to find because of the wrap. Very hard to find the holes because of the wrap. So I am going to pull it out for a second so I can get a look at it. Holy cow. That's why.
Oh, it was over the thing. Haha.
So he wrapped over the gasket. Moron. Alright, so now the hole. Alright, so once you got the lock in with one hand, you're going to hold the lock in with the other hand. You're going to slide this bracket up under the groove, and that will lock it in place.
Nice. get a good view.
Come over here. You see that right above my hand? Like
Yeah,
my thumb
yeah,
is?
yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, once you get it started like that, you can grab like a ratchet or something and just tap it the rest of the way down. Good. And now it's in. Now, while I have all this open and I have the handle out, what I'll do is I'll get into the locking mechanism and everything, and I'll get a little lube in there. I'll probably spray it down with a little penetrating oil, something like PB Blast, to get some of the dirt and rust out, and then I'll hit it with some grease. So that's it. Nice and easy. Never. Right? When we took the door lock off, we mistakenly, the black gasket just showed up on black on the black paint. We didn't realize it. Apparently the wrap guy didn't, and he wrapped over the little gasket. So we had to fish the old gasket out, re-stretch the wrap into the hole so that we don't get any lifting. So the lock and the gasket are on top of that wrap, and then get the lock in place, put the tab on, and we're good to go. That's it for this quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, check out the K5 playlist and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.